Yo, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Delivery back at it with another Amazon unboxing today, fam. Gonna do this unboxing in my room. So, first thing first, got the ring light. This is a must-have for a content creator, TikTokers, or YouTube Shorts creator. Must-have, fam. Secondly, we got a set of pillows from Amazon as well. All right, let's get straight to it. Let's unbox it, huh? And I'm gonna be dropping the link in the description on where to buy these. In the description and the comments. All right, we got the sand sign ring light set. All right, let's open it up. All right, got the ring light. This one. Yeah, the ring light I have right now is not the best, so sorry for the poor angle. Give me 1 second, let me put this thing higher. All right, now we're talking. All right, so got the ring light. Got this piece to hold the phone. Got the AC/DC adapter. Got the, Bluetooth whatever thing. It works for both iOS and Android. I believe the instructions is in this one. So this one is adjustable. You can make it taller or shorter compared to my previous one. All right, and then it's got the bag to hold it. I believe this is the tripod. All right. Got the tripod, fam. All right, let's take another look at what we got, huh? That's all that's in the box for the ring light. So that's my old ring light. See, it's very short. Yeah, I don't like it much. So this is gonna be the new one. Got the ring light. Got the Bluetooth controller. AC/DC adapter. Got the tripod. Got the phone holder. All right, that's all there is to the ring light, huh? And secondly, we got a set of pillows, queen pillows for side and back sleeper. Once again, link in the description and in the comment section, fam. All right, it's very compact. Let me do a screenshot, huh? Pack up 2 pillows, very compact. All right, open up this bad boy, fam. Hopefully the music's not too loud in the background. Using my iPad to play the music. All right, let's open up this bad boy. What up? pillow. So I don't think this is a pillow. It's a pillow cover. Is that right? Not sure if it's pillow or pillow cover. Yeah. Well, let's open up and see. Thought I bought some pillows. All right, it is the pillow. I believe the ring light is like $35. I could be wrong. Yeah, sorry, I'm not even looking at my Amazon yet, but yeah. Ring light is $35. Set up 2 pillows for $25. Pretty good price. Boom, queen pillow, fam. Maybe we can use it for 27 days and return it. I'm just kidding. Alright, that's 1 pillow. Second one should be the same. Set up 2 pillows, $25 on Amazon. Link in the description. Alright, Cousette pillows. Let me lay on the pillow, see how comfortable it is, huh? Now I know why we do this unboxing in the bedroom, because we have pillows, duh. It's pretty good, fam. Good night, fam. Just kidding, we're not done yet. Let's put this bad boy together, huh? This ring light. This is a must-have if you're a TikToker, YouTube Shorts creator, Facebook Reels creator. Must-have. Man, it's looking like a professional tripod, huh? And I suck at installation, so please bear with me. All right. Tripod looking very professional, fam. Where is the instructions? Alright, I think I found the instruction. But I'm just gonna figure it out by myself, huh? Right. Should be simple, right? Well, it's not looking too simple. Hold on one second. Okay. First thing first, attach the phone holder to the ring light. Okay. Attach the phone holder to the ring light and twist it. Is that right? Yeah, gotta hold the wheel. Hold it. All right, we got the first part done. Secondly, plug the AC/DC adapter into to left. Plug it in. Boom. Thirdly, attach the ring light to the top of the tripod. So this is all like plug and play, you know. Well, no tools required. Yeah, except for pairing your Bluetooth to your phone. Works for both iOS and Android. And if you have Windows, I don't know what to tell you. Does anyone use Windows Phone? twist it in. Sorry, I'm shooting this all by myself, so I apologize for the bad angles. Maybe 2 years down the road, I can hire cameraman. There you have it, fam. So it's adjustable. Let's go back. It's adjustable. Look at that. Woohoo! And the legs go. I think you can adjust the legs as well. There you have it. Let's plug in this bad boy, huh? All right, plug it in, and woohoo! Let that be light. So you can make. I'm not sure if there's different modes of light or not. Okay, so you press this for different modes of light. On, off, and you gotta sync it to your phone. This Bluetooth remote controller, and just put the phone here. Give me 1 second. Let me put the phone in there. Huh? Hold up. Voila! There you have it, fam. I highly recommend it. Please use my link in the description, fam. So once again, today we got the ring light and the pillow. Thank you everybody for watching this episode of Amazon unboxing. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Peace, fam. Thank you. All right, we're gonna test out the Bluetooth remote controller, huh? I'm gonna test it out. Boom, recording. Just one click. Oh, it's disconnected now. All right, we're gonna test out the Bluetooth remote controller, huh? I'm gonna test it out. Boom, recording. Just one click. Oh, it's disconnected now. All right, one more time. So for iPhone user, press on iOS. For Android, press on Android. Boom. It's recording right now. Stop. Press and hold for like 1 second. Boom. That's all there is to it, fam. Thank you for watching once again. Peace. All right, one more time. So for iPhone user, press on iOS. For Android, press on Android. Boom. It's recording right now. Stop. Press and hold for like 1 second. Boom. That's all there is to it, fam. Thank you for watching once again. Peace.